Hello, everyone. Hope this Monday morning finds you well. Hope you're enjoying what hopefully is a day off for you. And just good morning. So I wanted to touch base just about this week's stuff. So the module's already open. You can see what you're doing. Clearly, in the world of gender binary, we have to do male and female in terms of making this class kind of meeting the requirements, even though we know that as you go later on into the semester, you might learn that there's more than just male and female. But for right now, I'm gonna put you on male sexual anatomy and physiology. That's the section that we're doing. I know you got to see vagina monologues and you did respond to some of that. And this week, you're gonna watch a film called Private Dicks, which is sort of another comical way of thinking about the male sexual anatomy, primarily the penis. So hopefully that will be interesting and make you chuckle a little bit to go along with your very serious, dry text that you're reading. See, it's the yin and yang of human sexuality here. We got a little bit of dry anatomy stuff, and then we got some funny stuff to kind of keep you awake. So, happy reading, and that's all I have to say right now. I think there's nothing else going on. We'll just do this for this week, and then I'll just be seeing you on the forums. I hope this finds you well. I apologize for the barking dog. I don't know what his problem is. Okay, take good care.